Why do you live down here?
Through lack of accommodation. I've only 2 rooms, and once you come down here to live, you can't seem to get a room or a house anywhere else suitable for the condition of the children.
Have you tried for a council house?
Yes, I've been on the council house list 3 years.
Do you want to stay down here?
Well, I'm not fussy. I don't care where the council put me, as long as they give me my own house and a key and a suitable place for my children to be brought up.
Mama.
Would you rather live down here or live somewhere else?
I'd rather live down here because I was born in Tiger Bay. I stuck here with my sister because we're going to have a flat.
Why do you live down here?
Well, I've always lived down here. I was born down here.
Would you like to leave Tiger Bay?
No.
Why?
Well, I was born down here for one thing, and it's a nice place.
But isn't it unhealthy in parts around here?
Oh, it is unhealthy in some parts down here, but most of that a part of that I should say is from the people themselves, because some people just won't keep the places clean, while others do their best to keep the place clean.
Hey, come on, good news.
How long have you lived down here?
Oh, I've been living here about 3 years now.
Had you heard of Tiger Bay before you came here?
I did heard about Tiger before I came here, but unfortunately I dropped in here on a ship.
This is the parish I live, and my church comes here around here, and if we all move away from here, that means the church is empty.
Why do you come down here?
Well, I like it down here. Very nice people down here. And most of my friends are down there to live here.
Now, when they pulled down this part of the town, do you want to stay here?
Why, yes. I want to move from here.
Why?
I like it. I like the people here.
Mommy had a pub down here, and it was a big change for us, but we loved it after that. We realised what lovely people were down here, and at one time it was a bit rough. I don't think it exists anymore. Everyone's very nice now, charming. This club particularly is extremely nice. And anyone can come here. There's no nastiness anymore, if you know what I mean. It's all gone. It's a thing of the past. Tiger Bay is absolutely... I remember when I was very young, it was dreadful. It isn't anymore.
Why was it dreadful?
Well, once upon a time they had all these cafes with prostitutes and whatnot, and it really was. I mean, it was tough, and policemen went down, they were stabbed. And that's a thing of the past. It's all gone now. The people down here are charming.